Hi, in this new tutorial we will learn how to add vertices where splines intersect. Here I have this spline here is made of two segments. I will create two lines and all the splines must be attached. This feature works on a single spline. It works on sub-object level, so I will select this spline and attach the other two. So now all of them are part of the same spline. Click the vertex sub-object level and go to geometry, and here you will see this cross insert button. When you click it, move your mouse where the splines intersect, and you can see that the mouse pointer changes, and now you can click to add vertices. Here you will see a threshold. In our case, all of these splines are on the same plane. They are touching each other, so the distance between this line and this line, for example, it's 0. So the distance is within this threshold, because this feature also works if the splines are not on the same plane. If, for example, if this line is above this line here, so if the distance is smaller or equal to this number here, the cross insert will work. If the distance is bigger, it will not work. So, but remember that if they are distant, if they are not touching, the cross insert will not be very accurate when you click. So now we have these 4 vertices. If you like, you can click on those 2 lines and detach them if you want. Now they are separate objects. If you go to vertex, you can see that we have these vertices here, and also on this one you can see that we have those vertices here. I will undo, so now they are back to be one spline. One way we can use this, you can imagine many scenarios where you want to use this feature, but for example here, if I add a surface modifier, you can see here that I have a surface. Now this modifier needs 3 or 4 closed segments, and when I say closed, means that the vertices, they don't have to be welded. Means that you can have 2 vertices on top of each other and it will work. It doesn't work if you have more than 4 segments. Now if I add an edit poly, for example, if I go to vertices, you can see that we have these vertices here that they belong to those lines here, so we can get rid of them by clicking remove isolated vertices, and now we can have this surface. But of course you can use this feature, this cross insert, for other scenarios that you can imagine. Basically that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please subscribe to the channel and press the like button, and see you in another video. Thank you.